A very good afternoon, all of you. This is your educator, Shruti Sharma. I hope you are listening to me and you are having a good afternoon, right? A great afternoon. So, how are you doing, guys? Let me see who all are there with us right now. How many of you have joined? So, we have, yes, we do have. The first question that I get whenever I go for the session is, do we have mentee? Yes, guys, I do have mentee, but first of all we will study and then we will have the mentee quiz. So let me see who all are there. So first of all we have Tanya. Hi Tanya, how are you doing? Hi Kunjal. So Kunjal says that she is new to my class. Hi Kunjal. And then we have Raj. I'm good, how are you? Hi Sahira. I'm starting, not to worry. Then we have Vishakha. Hi Vishakha. How could I forget you? You are a regular student to my class, always there. Then we have Mamta, right? By the name Sumit. Now I know that it is Mamta. Right. Then we have Sunita. We have Aparna. Hi. First concepts and then mentee. Right. Unless you study, unless you learn, how will you have the questions answered? Right. Hi Geetika. Oh, Sneha. Sneha, all right. All right, so now we are there. So I think I should begin without wasting any time. So here we go. So first of all, let me just quickly introduce with a plus subscription. Now you people are, most of you are the plus subscribers, but I want others to join us too very soon. So as you people know that when we have the plus subscription, we have live classes for all the subjects on the daily basis. You people are taught by the best educators in the field. We organize weekly quizzes so that you can strengthen your concepts, right? And we do have the doubt solving sessions, practice question sessions, and we do also organize the test series. So all these things really help you to learn, to revise, to memorize your concepts. Hi Zoya, I'm giving you the mentee code very soon. So guys, if you go for the plus subscription, like I told you, you get all these benefits. But if you go for the iconic one, then apart from all the benefits for the plus subscription, you are going to get your personal mentor. You will have the doubt solution session, and then you will be having the Parent Connect program, and we do provide you with a study planner. So at Unacademy, you can start from scratch and be the master. So guys, if you talk about the pricing plans, here I am sharing you the pricing plans, and if you note it down minutely, you will see that if you go for 1 month, it will cost you 3,000. But if you go for a longer period, it is going to become so cheap and economical that anybody can really easily afford, because you are getting so much in that. Like if you go for the 36 months, it will cost you just 889. If you go for, let's say, 15 months, it will cost you just 1200 a month, and in that price you are going to get all the topics, all the subjects, all the live classes. Hi Aishwarya, how are you doing, beta? Oh, you want me to conduct one class, Zoya? I will. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. I will conduct one more class for electric current. Thank you for letting me know, bacha. Now, as we know that creativity, now all these things apart from academics, many things are really important to have your all-round development, right? So we have many courses that we are offering you, like debating, public speaking, effective communication. So we have definitely many corners like entertainment's corner, book lovers corner, orators corner, and we have many things beyond the school syllabus. So you will love to have all these at Unacademy. So just be the part of Unacademy without wasting any time. And here are the pricing plans for your creative corner. Hi Chavi, how are you doing? Yes, Vishakha, how can I forget you every time you ask me? And I really love to have you in my class. Always. Hi Tejas, how are you doing? So Tejas is also here. So all those who don't know me, let me tell them that my name is Shruti Sharma and my code is SHR Live. What is my code, guys? SHR Live for the YouTube, so you can use this code and get the Unacademy subscription. You will get very good discount. So my yes, hi Raj, you're Kunjal and your ID is Raj. All right, Kunjal. So guys, today we are going to talk about physical and chemical changes. So tell me quickly, how many of you know about the physical and chemical changes? Faster. I want all of you to be active in the chat box. We have many students. Quickly. Let me know fast that what do you know about the physical and chemical changes? Do you have any idea? Hi Tejas. Hi Tejas. How are you doing, bacha? Oh yes, Mamta. Mamta is really smart. She knows my code from the special classes, that is SS08, right? That is also my code, so you can use any. So right. All right, Chavi. Thank you so much for letting me know. Chalo, you people know about, all right, you people know about the physical and chemical changes. So let's quickly go about it and then we will move on to the Menti quiz. So guys, you know what are physical changes? Any change in which no new substances are formed. Okay, no new substances. That means if you are tearing a paper, if you are breaking a pencil, if you are, let's say, melting ice, all these changes which are taking place, they are the physical changes, right? What are they? They are the physical changes. Yes, we have Menti. Why are you worrying? Yes. So now in these types of changes, there is no change in the type of matter, all right? So for example, if you have ice and it changes to water, so chemically it is same, it is H2O, that is also H2O. So that is not changing. The chemically it is not changing. It is just the physical form which is changing. It is solid, it is liquid. So whenever there is a change in shape, size or any physical properties, we call that change a physical change. And you know, these changes can easily be reversed. That means you can bring back the original thing. For example, if you have changed water to ice, you can change ice to water again. All right, and these changes are temporary changes. Are you clear? Can you give me any one example of a physical change quickly? Tell me. Yes, Bhumika, I would. If you really understand what I teach, keep joining my classes every time at 2 p.m. and let me know about the topics that you want to do. I will definitely take up. Very good. Well done. So, broken pencil, ice turning into water, when you freeze the orange juice or you fold the paper, all these changes are the physical changes. All these changes are the physical changes. Now, let's talk about the chemical change. Have you ever seen a rotten apple? How many of you have seen the rotten apple? Very good, Zoya. Very good, Vishakha. Very good, Kunjal. Hi, Aditya. Very good, Rumna. Wow, I so love your... Well done, guys. Well done. So tell me, what are the chemical changes? Now, those changes in which new substances form. What is meant by new substance? That means the properties of the substance which is formed after a change, it is way different from the original substance. So substances react to form new substances. So today we are going to talk about these chemical changes and chemical reactions actually. So old matter is not lost, but it changes to a different kind of matter. So here, not just the physical properties which change, but also there is a change in the chemical properties. There is a change in the chemical properties. Hi Geetika. I hope you're doing good. So many changes cannot be reversed. It is a permanent change and it is generally irreversible. All right. For example, if you have an apple, if you keep it for some time, let's say 20 days, 30 days, it will be a rotten apple. So if you want to bring it back to the original form, can you do that? Tell me, can you do that, guys? Let me know fast. Can we do that? No, we cannot. Right. Well done, Chavi. Well done, Kunjal. Well done, Tejas. Well done, Gitika. Wonderful, Vishakha, Chavi, Bhumika, Mamta. Wonderful. Great, guys. Keep on answering. Great. So have you seen the iron rusting or the bread toasted? Right? Hi, Ghansham. Hi, Karnika. Wow, we are having so many children. So, guys, burning of wood, turning an egg into an omelette, or the burning of wax, or the rusting of iron, they all are chemical changes. How many of you know about that? How many of you know about that? Quickly, you people are really, really smart. Very smart, actually. The way you people answer here in the chat box, that shows that you people know many things. Right? Well done. Oh, Tejas is telling me the formula for rusting. Wow. There is lag in the video? I don't think so. Let me know if there is. Great. Great, Raj. So, all right. So, a chemical change occurs when chemicals react with each other. All right. And whenever there is a chemical change, we can call that change a chemical reaction as well. So, whenever a chemical reaction takes place, how do we get to know that a chemical reaction has taken place? There are certain things which happen. For example, there could be change in energy. That means the temperature might increase or it can decrease. There could be a change in color. For example, a blue thing changes into a green one. Green one changes into a blue one. Or a colorless thing changing into a white one. So there is a change in color. So whenever these things happen, we say that a chemical reaction has taken place. And also, many a times, there is evolution of gas. That means a gas is evolved. Yes, there is lag in the video. Now it is, or was it? Yes, guys. All of you let me know if there is lag for everyone. Otherwise, you can refresh, bacha. Well done. So, and there is a formation of precipitate. So, today I will be telling you about all these types of chemical reactions. So, let's see how many of you want to learn. Now, a chemical reaction is that where all old bonds are broken and new bonds are formed. For example, if I give you an example. Here, let's say we have 1A and let's say we have the other thing which is, let's say here B. Okay, now it is an old bond. Alright, it is an old bond. And now what happened? And along with that, we have something like, let's say, C, and let's say here we are D. Now, these are the molecules earlier. Now, after reaction, this AB and CD, they undergo changes and they give you, let's say, B and D. That means B combines with D, like you people do with all your friends. Right? You people make new bonds, right? How many of you make these new bonds? New friends, new bonds. And A combines with C. So here, this bond is broken. And new bonds like A, C, B, D, they are formed. So these type of reactions where this thing occurs, we call those the chemical reactions. Are we clear? Hi Ramesh. Oh wow, Shavi, you are really smart. So great. So that is what a chemical reaction is. So today I will tell you about the 4 types of chemical reactions. So let's quickly study and then we will be talking about the examples of these reactions, right? So now let's move on to, first of all, there are synthesis reaction. You know what is meant by synthesis? Synthesis means to form something. We also call it combination. Then we have decomposition. That means breaking down something. Then we have single replacement. And the fourth one that we have is double replacement, or we also call it double displacement. So let's learn about that. First of all, very good. If you are clear with the concepts, please do let me know. Everybody wants to go for Menti, right? So give me 5 minutes and then I'll give you the Menti quiz code. So guys, tell me about the synthesis reaction. What is synthesis reaction? Where you can see these are the reactants A and B, two reactants or more reactants, they combine together to give you a single product. It is giving you single product. So two things or more things, they are combining together. So that type of reaction is called synthesis reaction, right? Let me give you an example for that. Have you ever seen the magnesium ribbon burning? How many of you have seen? Just quickly let me know. How many of you have seen the magnesium ribbon burning? Tell me fast. How many of you have seen the magnesium ribbon burning? If you have seen, you must have seen that it burns with a dazzling white light. So what happens actually? You know, this magnesium ribbon, after it burns, it changes into this white powder. This is magnesium. It combines with oxygen which is present in the air and it gives you magnesium oxide. Hi Anu. Oh, you have seen Mamta. Great. Oh, Sahira has not seen. So you guys can have the video of this magnesium ribbon burning. You will really love it. Oh, great. So now magnesium combines with oxygen to give you magnesium oxide. So can you tell me how many products are formed here? Just one. And there are two reactants. So two reactants giving you one product. So that type of reaction is called a combination reaction because two reactants are combining together to give you a single product. Right guys? Tell me quickly if you are clear. Well done. Well done guys. Now the next one that we have is decomposition. Now it is just the opposite of combination. It is just the opposite of combination. Why? Tell me why. Hi Ruhi. A very good afternoon, bacha. Tell me, it is a opposite of combination. Why? Because here we have one reactant and it breaks down. It breaks down to give you two things. Alright. So in combination you have two reactants giving you one. Here one thing is just breaking down and it is giving you two products. So that type of reaction is called, thank you Gitika. I wish that I could have heard your voice too. So now that is called a decomposition reaction. Now let me give you an example. For example, here you have NaCl. So Na, sodium, actually it should be written as Na and Cl. So this Na and Cl. So there are two atoms together. Now they will break down and as they break down they will give you sodium and chlorine. So here it is a breakdown which is taking place. So it is a decomposition reaction. Right guys, right Chavi, I have read your answer. Great. Hi Vishakha. Oh, you have seen the firecrackers. Wonderful Vishakha. Great. So I really love your participation during the live class in the comment section. Great guys. So it is actually the decomposition. Now the next type of reaction that we have is single displacement reaction. Now what does that mean? Now let's see, you have BC. Now these bonds are there, but there is this atom A and this atom is very reactive. It is more reactive as compared to B. It is less reactive and A is more reactive. So what will it do? Now it will remove B. It will remove B from its place and it will take the place of B. So what has the product formed? It is AC plus B. So here more reactive element, alright, more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its salt solution. Let me give you a very beautiful example for that. Now have you ever seen iron fillings? Now when you add them to copper sulfate solution, now here This is a copper sulfate solution and it is blue in color. It is a copper sulfate solution, guys, and it is very good, Mamta, and it is blue in color. So when you dip the iron nail into it, so this iron, when dipped in copper sulfate solution, after some time, what will you notice? That it will form FeSO4 and copper will be left behind. So you can see the color of the solution changing from blue to green. Isn't it fascinating? You know, these chemical reactions are so fascinating. If you do them in the laboratory, you would just love them. So guys, I hope the things become very soon, very normal, and you get back to your schools and you do all these experiments on your own. Now, that is for Mamta, that is for that we have the reactivity order. So now this iron combines with copper sulfate, and because iron is more reactive, iron takes the place of copper and it gives you iron sulfate plus copper. Are we clear? Tell me, are we clear or not? So that is iron sulfate and copper. So that is what a displacement reaction is. Displacement means removal of something from its place. Very good. Vishaka wants me to explain again. Now, bacha, what happened? For example, you have one reactant. Let's say iron. Okay. And then you have copper and sulfate. Alright. So now what will happen? What will happen? This is copper and this is sulfate. But copper is less reactive. Iron is more reactive. So what will it do? Iron will take the place of copper and will form FeSO4 plus copper. Hi Ghanshyam. So I hope you have understood. So that is what is happening. More reactive element is taking the place of less reactive element, like you people do. Tell me, how many of you do? If you are more powerful, if you have more strength, have you ever replaced or removed somebody from their place? Tell me, how many of you have done that? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Melting of wax is a physical change, Zoya. Melting of wax is a physical change, but burning of wax is a chemical change, bacha. Got it, Vishakha? Great. So now the next one that we have is double displacement. And now it is very simple. Why it is very simple? Because here are, let's say, let me give you an example. There are two friends. Okay. There is friend 1. There is friend 2. Then there is friend 3. And there is friend 4. Now they have made a bond. They have made a bond. Okay. But now what will happen? Now this one will change its partner and 3 will also change its partner. So 1 will combine with 4 and 3 will combine with 2. So what will be the product form? 1 4 3 2. So if there are, let's say, 4 children and 2 children have made the bonds, they have made the partnership, and now after some time they are not happy, let's say, with their partners or their friends. So now they have made a new friend. Okay. So here 1 will go with 4, 3 will go with 2. So it is just a simple reaction where there is exchange of ions. So this is a positive ion, this is a negative ion, positive and negative. So now from A to D, now A will combine with C and B will combine with D. So that it is just the exchange of ions taking place. I hope. Oh, great. Right. I hope you have understood. So let me give you an example for that. So here we have silver nitrate. So we have silver and we have nitrate. Okay. Then we have sodium and we have chlorine. Now what will happen? This silver will make the bond with chlorine. Okay. And it is AgCl. And this sodium will make the bond with nitrate and we will get the product as sodium nitrate. So here there is exchange of ions, exchange of partners. So that type of reaction is called double displacements. Why double? Because both the ions are changing their places. Are we clear, bacha? Tell me, are we clear? So that is what is called double displacement. reaction. Hi Noob, how are you doing? Great. Now guys, let me quickly give you the explanation for one of the very important reaction which takes place in our surroundings. I think all of you must be aware of rusting, right? How many of you are aware of rusting? Quickly, because after these 2-3 slides I'm going to have the Menti quiz and I want all of you to participate. So rusting is used to refer the corrosion of objects which are made up of iron. Have you seen this? There are many objects made up of iron. Have you seen all these iron nails or the doors or your water coolers or anything which is there? Tell me, which have lost their shine, lost their luster, and there is a deposit of this brown, reddish brown thing over it. How many of you have seen it? I think everybody must have seen it. You are aware? Great. So now this is actually the reaction of iron with oxygen and water. So whenever you place iron in contact with oxygen and water, it develops a red flaky substance which we call rust. So let me show you. Now there are two things which are required for iron to rust. What are they? Can you tell me? Yes, it is not good for iron objects. Wonderful. So tell me guys, quickly tell me. What are the two things which are required for rusting to take place? It is oxygen and water. So in the absence of any one of these, rusting will not take place. It has to be both. Okay, so it has to be both oxygen and water. If you give only oxygen, no water, no rusting. If you give only water but no oxygen, again no rusting. So rusting requires both of them. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes, you can also say Gitika, oxygen and moisture. Wonderful. So now, have you done this activity ever? Have you done this activity? It is a very simple activity. Now here you have taken 3 tubes. Okay, in one of them you have kept air, water and iron nail. In second test tube, you have kept the iron nail in water and you have put the layer of oil. Why? So that air cannot go inside. Air cannot go inside. In the third one, you have just air and iron nail. That means there is no water. So can you tell me in which of the tube rusting will take place? A, B or C? Tell me fast. In which of the test tube will rusting take place? In A, B or C? Hurry up, I'm waiting for your answers. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Quickly. And you have questions, so please answer. Right, well done guys. Yes, it is A. So now I have the answers coming. So the answer is A. So now as we know that oxygen and water, they cause rusting. So if you have to prevent rusting, because rusting can cause so much of loss, right? So how can we prevent rusting? How can we save the iron articles from rusting? So first thing, see, simple thing is just don't allow it to come in contact with water and oxygen. For that, you can paint them. You can apply the layer of oil. You can apply the layer of grease, right? So that is one thing that you do. Because if you are applying that layer of oil, grease or paint, oxygen or water, they will not come in contact with iron. That is one thing. Second thing is you put more reactive metal over it, and that more reactive metal could be zinc. Alright, so you can put zinc over iron, and that way iron will not come in contact with air. Anhydrous means without water, bacha. Zoya, anhydrous means without water, where there is no water. So now you can call that process galvanization, where you are putting a layer of zinc on iron and it is getting deposited over there so that it does not rust. One thing. Next one is alloying. Have you seen the articles made of stainless steel? How many of you have made the articles? Seen the articles? In kitchen you must be having it. Lot many articles of stainless steel. So you know why do we do that? Because iron articles, as we know, it get rust. All right, so we mix that iron with carbon, chromium, nickel, manganese, all these things so that it does not rust. Are we clear? How many of you are clear? Because we are going to move to Menti quiz now. So whatever I have taught you, I will be testing you people on that. How many of you are clear? Or any questions, you are most welcome to ask me. Yes, I am going to give you the Menti quiz. So rusting is undesirable. That means we don't want it because iron becomes flaky, weak, its strength decreases, its appearance is changed, and it can lead to damage to automobiles, railings, grills, many iron structures, right? And also when there is rusting, it can become the breeding ground for bacteria. That means bacteria can come and breed there, grow there. That is obviously dangerous for us. And also it can cause pipes to carry brown or black water because all our water pipes are made up of iron, and if it gets rust, then what will happen? It will be carried along with the water, which is really unsafe for us, right? Hi Nisha. Hi Aditya. You have not understood double displacement. I will make you understand. I will make you understand. But before that, you please quickly go to the menti.com. Quickly go to menti.com and use the code 4399858, which is the code 4399858. So quickly guys, hurry up. I am coming. I am giving you the quiz now. How many of you are ready for the quiz? How many of you are ready for the quiz, guys? Permeability means something can penetrate through. All right. So you can keep your questions. I'll answer. Hi, Vaibhav. How are you doing? Now tell me, who is this ball? Who is this angel? Who is this pin? Who is this bee? Tell me fast. There are 4 students who have joined. I want others also. Let me give you the Menti code. It is 4399858, guys. It is 4399858. So tell me fast. Oh wow, 10 students have already joined. Yes, Veena, I am waiting for each one of you. Quickly. Hi, Ishan. All right, you are Ishan. You are Thumpin. You are the pin, Sahira. All right. Okay, how many of you are the pins? All right, we have Aditya, we have oh, Vishakha is the angel. Then okay, and who is? Zoya is the caterpillar. All right, who is the rabbit? Who has these lovely eyes, the heart-shaped eyes? Who is the strawberry? Oh, I love strawberry. Who is the banana, the small banana which is there on my screen? So you want me to start? You're the blue caterpillar, all right. You're the tiger. Oh, wow. Where is the tiger? Tiger is here. Who is this big hat? Who is this card? Who is this airplane? Who want to fly? You're the smartphone. All right. Oh, guys, great. Quickly, you are the tiger baby. Okay. You're the this is a dog, I think. You're the horse. Okay. So I think others have joined. Oh, this is a unicorn, right? Let's see. You love strawberry too, right? I think everybody loves. Hi, Rumna. Chalo, let's begin. I think we should begin, and others will join us too. Can you please share this? Can you please share this with your friends in all your groups so that others can join us too? Please do that. Please do that. You can share it with your friends fast so that others join us too. Great. Chalo, let's begin guys. So here we are. Okay, I'm sending it to one more group so that others join us too. Great. So we have 21 children. Great, great, great. I think the competition is going to be tough, right? Let's begin now. Let's begin. So, first question coming your way, a change in which no new substances are formed. What do we call that? Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. You have 20 more seconds to answer. Oh, Idhan is unicorn. All right. It is 4399858, guys. 4399858 is the code. Please, please, please do copy it. Alright, we have the answers from 21 children, and guys, when no new substances form, we call that change a physical change, because there is the change only in the physical properties, nothing else. Okay. So, here is the leaderboard where we have Anom, the fastest. Hi Anom. Alright, where is Aishwarya? Where is Mam? Oh, we have Rumna, we have Nilakshi, Mamta, Krishna, Geetika, Vishakha. And what a smartphone is Magician. Tell me your name, guys. Oh, you did not read it. Vaibhav and Anshu Priya. Alright, let's see the next question. So here comes the question for you. The second question, which is, what is a change in which new substances are formed? Is it the chemical change, the physical change, the casual change, or the formal change? Isn't the options really funny? Because we know whenever there is a new substance formed, we call that change to be the faster. What do we call that change? So we have 25 children. Great. The competition is nice now. Hi, 26. So most of you know that whenever there is a new substance formed, we call that change a chemical change. Right. Great, great, great. So the next one is, guys, let me know how many of you have subscribed to the Unacademy YouTube channel, so that you can be the part of many more such quizzes and classes. Tell me, this time Krishna was the fastest. Oh, hi Geetika Pan. Thank you. I hope this is for me. You are so sweet. And Aditya, he is new. Hi Aditya, welcome to my class. So next one that we have is the third question. Menti is not working on your device. Oh, try, bacha. Evidence of a physical change. So how do you get to know that a physical change has taken place? Is there a new substance formed, or there is a shape change, or light is produced, or gas is released? So there is just one option. It might be tricky for you. So let's see who all answer it. Shape change, right? So whenever there is a shape change, that could be a physical change, because new substance, light, gas, they all happen during a chemical change, isn't it? So let me show you the leaderboard after 5 questions. Okay. So this is question number 4. Hi Ishan. Idhan. Okay, Idhan. Very beautiful name, Idhan. Okay. Your dad fries an egg for you. Has your dad ever fried an egg for you? Ever? So now tell me, is this an example of a physical change? Is it true or false? How many of you know? So just keep all the possibilities, all the things in mind, all the properties of physical and chemical changes, and then answer. And the answer becomes, it is a false statement, guys, because when egg is fried, there is a new substance formed. You can never get back the old egg again. There is a change in the nature of proteins which are there in the egg. So that is a chemical change. I hope you are clear. I hope you are clear. Now next one that we have is the leaderboard, which will come to you after 5 questions. And the 5th question is here. The 5th question says, you cut an apple. Okay. How many of you love to eat an apple? Tell me, when you cut an apple, is this an example of a physical change? Is it true or false? I say, should I say? whether it is a physical or a chemical change? I say it is a physical change. Is it? Is it? Yes, it is. It is true. It is a physical change, guys, because an apple remains an apple even after you cut it into pieces or you let it be like that. The shape is only changing, but there is no change in the nature. Hi, lovely girl. So here comes the leaderboard for you. So who is this lovely girl? All right. So here is the leaderboard. After 23 students, I think 26 students were there who joined the quiz. So we have Mamta on top and then Vishakha. Oh, Vishakha loves ma'am and even ma'am loves Vishakha. Right. Ma'am loves you. Ma'am loves all of you. Aditya, Anam, Nampreet. Hi. Hi, Nampreet. Hi, Sarika. Hi, Sai Krishnan. Hi, Vaibhav, Geetika and Krishna. So great to be here with you. Now, next question is question number 6. Now, quickly answer the question number 6 to 10 and then I will be showing you the leaderboard. So now, have you ever seen the copper penny turning greenish after a few years, or the copper vessel, or any copper thing? Copper is, the color of copper, but after some time, the copper acquires a green color. So why does it acquire the green color? Does it react with the atmospheric gases or water? It is a false statement, right? Because there is the chemical transformation or the chemical change which has taken place here in copper, right? You are coming on leaderboard, then you can see my name. All right, lovely girl, I am giving you all my best wishes so that you can soon appear on the leaderboard. Great. Chalo, brown type of copper. Oh, right, Ramni. So now, which of the following is not an example of a physical change? Not an example of a physical change. That means it is a chemical change. So which one is a chemical change out of these? Crumpled paper or pencil sharpening, or shrunken clothing. That means the cloth gets shrunk. All right. Or the sour milk. Which one is that? Crumpled paper, pencil sharpening, shrunken clothing, or sour milk? It is, yeah, it is sour milk, because if the milk turns sour means khatta. When the milk turns sour, it is actually because of the chemical change which has taken place, right? All right. Now the next one that we have. Okay, the leaderboard is coming to you after 10th question only. So you have to wait. Hi, Gagandeep. Oh, great. Good to see you, Gagan. In my class? Yes. Why would I forget you? I told you, na, I don't forget my children. So, which element rust? I just showed you. So, this everybody knows. I want 100% correct answers this time, guys. Is it carbon, manganese, iron or potassium? Which one is that? Hurry up. Oh, why? Is it carbon, manganese, iron or potassium? You have to be a little patient when you are answering. Sometimes you are in a hurry. Right? So it is iron. It is iron. Now the next question that we have is question number 9. So how many of you want to answer? Hi Himanshu. Yes, I do. I do remember you. Okay, tell me the chemical name of the rust. Is it iron dioxide? Please read and then answer. Or is it iron oxide? Is it steel oxide? Or is it carbon dioxide? So which one is that? Which one is that? It is, yeah, lovely. It is iron. It is iron oxide. Great. Wow, 21 of you out of 24 know. So how much percentage is it? 21 out of 24. Who will tell me the percentage? Menti, what do you want to know the Menti code, bacha? It is 4399858. It is 4399858, bacha. It has started to lag. Why? Now the next question that we have is question number 10, and after that you are going to see the leaderboard. So quickly answer. Okay, this is I think really simple. What are the two things that cause iron to rust? Is it air and oxygen, water and carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, or is it carbon dioxide and air? Tell me fast. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Answer it fast. It is. Yes, it is oxygen and water. Oh, you people were really confused. So let me tell you, it is oxygen and water which are required by the iron to rust. Okay, in the absence of any one of these, iron will not rust. Next is the leaderboard coming your way, and I hope this lovely girl makes it to the leaderboard. We have some new names. This time Nampreet is on the top. Hi Nampreet. Hi Sai Krishnan. Hi Vishakha. Hi Krishna. Then Sarika. Then Geetika. Anom. Optimus Prime. Who is this Optimus Prime? And then Mamta and Ananya. Hi, great. Great. So who is this Optimus Prime? Let me know. Okay. Now the next question, which is the 11th question, and the question says, what does the question say? Okay, which of the following methods cannot be used? So please mark this word cannot be used to prevent corrosion of iron. So you know there are many methods by which you can prevent corrosion. Like you can apply a protective coating, or you can do oiling, greasing, you can do galvanization, you can do alloying, but which one is the method that you should not adopt to prevent corrosion? So who knows this? You're on 14th. Oh, it's okay, lovely girl. I hope you are there. Oh, this leave outside in the rain, because if you're leaving it outside in the rain, you are giving it water, you are giving it oxygen, and iron will surely rust, isn't it? Tell me. Hi Sneha. Hi Sneha, join the Menti quiz, bacha. Now the leaderboard I'll show you after 15 question. Okay, there must be some suspense also, no? How many of you love suspense? Okay, I showed you 4 types of chemical reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. So tell me, combining substances to form a new substance, what is that type of reaction? Where 2 or more reactants combine to give you a single product. Which one is that? Where 2 or more substances they combine to give you a single product. So that is right. That is combination. Wow, 16 of you know it. Great. Well done, Nampreet. And everybody, Sneha wants the code. So it is 4399858. Oh, I want to give you the leaderboard after that. So that is a little teaser which I show you of the leaderboard, isn't it? Okay. Breaking down a substance into simpler substances. So one big reactant breaking down to give you 2 or more than 2 substances. Hi Shreya, I hope you like it, bacha. If this is your second class, I want to see you in many more such classes. And please do subscribe to the Unacademy YouTube channel. You will definitely be the part of many more exciting quizzes and classes. So breaking down a substance into simpler substances is an example of decomposition. Right. Breaking down, decompose. Okay. Now the next question which is coming your way is question number 14. So we are left with 7 questions. So hurry up. Thank you. Shruti ma'am fan. Thank you, bacha. Okay, tell me what type of reaction is this equation? Now look at this. 2NaCl giving you Na plus Cl2. So what is happening here? Look at it minutely. So you will see that one reactant, which is sodium chloride, it is breaking down into two products, right? Sodium and chlorine. So what do we call that type of reaction? I think you all know. I think you all know. How many of you know? Right, it is. No, it is decomposition, guys. One thing, look, one thing breaking down to sodium and chlorine. Isn't it? Do you have any doubt? This might have changed the leaderboard. I think so. So let me have the 15th question and please answer it well. Then I'll show you the leaderboard. Okay, what type of reaction is this? Carbon plus oxygen giving you carbon dioxide. So here we have two reactants and they are combining together to give you a single product. So what type of reaction is it? So please read before you people answer. Please read. Hi Sammy. Oh, this is Samiksha. Sammy, right? I remember Sammy. So C plus O2 giving you CO2. What type of reaction is that? And here comes the answer and it is combination. Two things joining, combining to give you a single product, guys. How can you make it? How can you make a mistake here? I think many students have joined after I have taught you, right? That's why maybe you people are making a little mistake. So guys, tell me. Oh, Sarika is on top now. Then Optimus Prime. Then Geetika. Then Krishna. Then Vishakha. Then Sai Krishnan. Then Vaibhav. Then Nampri. Then Mamta. And then Ananya. Where are you, lovely girl? Where is my lovely girl? I want to know your name. So here comes the 16th question. There are just 5 questions left. So here goes it. Here it goes. Here it goes. And okay, this is A plus BC. So what is happening here? A being more reactive is removing B from its place. And it is taking the place of B. So what type of reaction is it? A plus BC giving you AC plus B. Menti lagging. Oh. Why is it happening? So A plus BC giving you AC plus B. So what does it give you? Guys, every day, please join me every day for the YouTube session. I'm taking the YouTube sessions on almost every day at the same time. So please do join me. So it is displacement, right? It is single but it is not double displacement because here just one thing is displacing the other. There is no exchange of partners which happens with double displacement. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the next question. Oh, your net is not working. So will I get to know your name today? Tell me. Iron plus copper sulfate gives you iron sulfate plus copper. You remember that blue thing changes to green? Remember? So what is happening here? Iron is taking the place of copper and it is giving you iron sulfate and copper. So what type of reaction is it? Double displacement, single displacement, synthesis or decomposition? Who will tell me the answer? Who will tell me the answer? No, again, I think you people are confused between double displacement and single displacement. I will let you know. I will let you know, guys. So don't worry. Look at this question now. I think your problems will be solved. Yeah, please, lovely girl, try. So AB plus CD, and please do like my session and share it with your friends. They can even watch it later. So AB plus CD giving you AD plus CB. So here you can see there are two different bonds, AB and CD. And now what happens after the reaction? A made friends or bond with D and C has made friends or bond with B. So now this reaction is double displacement, right? Because there are two of the ions which are exchanging their positions. So this is double displacement. So I hope you people are clear with this concept. How many of you are clear with this concept? Please let me know. And now answer this question, which is the 19th question. Just 2 more questions, guys. Oh, you have liked and subscribed. Thank you. You are really lovely. So quickly, what type of reaction is, okay, now listen. BaCl2, barium chloride plus potassium iodide giving you potassium chloride and barium iodide. So just look at this. What is happening? Barium is making bonds with iodine and potassium is making bonds with chlorine. So what is happening actually? Isn't it the exchange of ions taking place? And if exchange of ions is taking place, so what do we call that reaction? I'm hoping that I get the perfect answer. Well done. So I think you have understood now. And it is a double displacement. Right, Nampreet? Great. So that is, now here comes the last question for you. How many of you are excited to see the last question and answer it? How many of you are excited to go for it? It is simple. A chemical change may involve color change, temperature change, evolution of gas, or all of the above. So what is the right answer? Quickly. I'm waiting for the perfect score this time. So please give me the perfect score. I want all my children to answer it perfectly. Great, guys. Hi, Krishna. What happened? It is all of the above, right? When chemical reaction takes place or the chemical change takes place, there could be change in color, there could be change in temperature, and the gas might also be evolved. So all of the above is a right answer. And here comes your leaderboard after 20 questions. Let's see who is there. Oh, there are many students who have made it to the leaderboard this time. Rumna is there, right? Oh, so we have Sarika, the winner. I think we should give her a very big hand, guys. You can appreciate the efforts of Sarika. Today she is the winner. Next time it could be you. So please do. And then Vaibhav, then Mamta, then Optimus Prime, then I don't know who is that, Krishnan, then Geetika, then Nampri, then Krishna, then Ananya, and then Rumna. Great. Oh, it's you, Sarika. Great. Wonderful. It's you. All right, Saira. So, guys, thank you so very much for joining for this Menti quiz. Now, let's move back to this. Now, one more thing that I have to tell you is that there are many batches which are going on our Unacademy platform. So, please do subscribe to our plus course and be the part of all these super exciting, super fascinating, amazing batches where you people will learn so much. Oh, Mamta, and then there are many literature batches. All right, and you can use my code either SS08 like you people said, or you can use the code uh, which is, how many of you know my code? SHR live. All right, so any one of these, and you can unlock your free classes. And please do take the Unacademy Plus subscription, because I really want to see you all in my plus classes. Thank you, guys, and have a beautiful day ahead. So I'm keeping your points in mind. So I need to take one session on acids and bases, and I have to take one more session for chemical effects, right? So have a beautiful day ahead, guys. Thank you, and keep smiling, keep learning. Bye-bye. So this is your educator, Shruti Sharma, signing off. Bye-bye, guys.